My name is McDevitt. I'm the supervisor of Wellborn Cabinets planer mill, and I've been here going on 6 years. Wellborn's taught me a lot. With just me learning sawing and lumber and timber, what I work on at the house, like building a porch or a barn and stuff like that, I know now what kind of lumber I need and how thick and what to use, where to put it, and everything like that. When I started here, I was young. I was a lot younger than what I am now. Everything that they've taught me here, how to be that leader in a group, to lead a household, to provide for a family, and how to become a man. I'm very grateful for that. Wellborn's a good place. It's like a family, just a big family. People around here really care. Everybody knows everybody, and we all get along. No matter who you talk to up here, if it's a superior or even just a regular worker, they're gonna talk to you like, you're part of their family. And I really appreciate that every day to come in here and actually know that somebody I'm working right next to really cares. I started at Wellborn through a temp agency. My first day was in the planer mill, and then I worked 2 weeks at the stacker mill. Well, after that, I went back to the planer mill and I started stacking lumber and learning how to grade lumber. And then I got moved to the sawmill and became a sawyer. And then from there, I was talking to my manager and he offered me the supervisor position. My most important responsibility is tending to my workers, my employees, making sure everybody's getting everything done, doing it right, and having a good time. Really, the way I see it, we're the best cabinet company in the United States. We're efficient in what we do, and we take pride in what we do, and we stand by our product.